Hey, Safari Sam here, and you're just in time for some letter writing. Do you want your letters to look nice? I use animal letters to make my letters look nice. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, if you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really, really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter V. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase v is? Wow, it is a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we do each letter, we do it 2 times. We do it the first time with the dotted lines, and then we do it the second time all by ourselves. Are you ready to do the letter V? Do you have your letter V paper so you can do it with me? Great! Let's get started. When I'm doing the uppercase letter V, where do I start? Yes, at the top. Put your pencil at the top. Okay, now let's go down to the bottom at a diagonal. And when I get to the bottom, I'm going to do something special. I'm going to go right back up. And there is our letter V. How does yours look? Good. Okay, let's do the lowercase v. The lowercase v, I'm going to start at the middle. I'm going to go down at a diagonal. And then I'm going to go straight, or I'm going to go diagonally. Uh-oh, look, I made a little mistake. So I'm going to start over. I'm here, and I'm going to go diagonally up till I get to the middle line, and then I'm going to stop. There is the lowercase v. Now, I made a mistake. And what did I do? I erased it so I could make it look nicer. And that's what we do when we make mistakes. We just try and keep trying. All right, let's do the V again, only this time without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Find your lined paper so we can do it. Are you ready? Remember, where do we start? At the top. There we go. You have your pencil ready? Here we go. I go diagonally down. And when I get to the bottom, I go right back up. And there's my uppercase V. Did you finish yours? Great job. Okay, let's do the lowercase v. Remember, I start in the middle line. Do I start at the bottom? No way, we never start a letter at the bottom. Okay, here we go. Start here, and then I go down diagonally. When I get to the bottom, what do? Yes, I simply go right back up diagonally. And there is my lowercase v. Did you have fun doing the lowercase v? I sure did. It's a great letter. I hope you had as much fun as I did doing the letter V. And make sure you come back next time so we can do another letter together. Until next time, bye!